Good afternoon, my dear children. First weeks we are learned to structural and organization of animal kingdom. So recall to again. So now, previous classes, general external morphology of rabbit and internal morphology of rabbit. See, I recall revised chapter detailing in short durations. What is the binomial name of rabbit is Oryctoclacus cuniculus. See systematic position of rabbit. See there under that kingdom of Animalia. Phylum is Chordata because it's bearing a backbone. See another subphylum is Vertebrata. See there Vertebrata is well developed in backbone. See class of Mammalia. They have seen epidermal hair and milk producing glands are there. And another order is Logomorpha, seen very sensitive animals. Genus Oryctolagus and Cuniculus is a species. So where we seen in the region of mostly is a general or dimit animal. There are so living a burrow in nature because they live in the area, and there are distributed through the world because mostly rabbit is a herbivore. What do you mean herbivore? They are eaten by plants, also is known as a herbs. Most of the vegetable like turnip, carrot and lettuce, there is mostly favorite food of rabbits. Next, there is rabbit gregarious animal because mostly is moving as group in nature. Bikini rabbit one of the threatened species of because the population is very less because due to the habitat loss. The next, what are the external morphology seen? See, as generally it divided as a head and trunk, and also tail and regions are there, neck and are there. See, mostly it has oval shape in nature. It has a elongated cylindrical body, male, female as the same size, grow about 45 cm in length, and weight about 2.25 kg as adult. The color of various white and two flag and white generally common found in a rabbit. Mostly body covered with a skin as to fur. It served to keep us here regulate us here temperature. Next body division. The body division of rabbit divisible into head, neck and trunk and tail regions. Head is oval, flattened in bearers of truncate of snout. Seen it contain mouth and external nariz and eyes as to ear and vibration. See some of the example of as to upper lip and lower lip differentiated. The minute opening as to external part of nose is called nostril. See its upper lip tentacle at the vibri or is a whisker, sensitive in nature. And there see move of pair of jaw is seen. See another external and internal penna seen here. Neck is consist of the trunk is help to turn to head because it's rotate very fastest nature. Trunk is divisible into anterior the thorax and posterior and abdomen seen as here. And in there is a female as having a 4 or 5 teeth or nipples. They are present in ventral surface between thorax and abdomen. It helps to feeding of animals. The trunk is 2 pair of tentacle limbs. The 4 limb is shorter. That's than kin limb is shorter than kin limbs because they are able to easy to jump and run fast. All there is made as to digest to wear as claves. It help to. Okay, next there is a last anus separation in posterior and abdomen of the face of the tail. Female ventral side is led to the vulva. It is mainly is a reproductive part, and male consists of penis. It also there is a reproduction, external part of reproductions. Male and pair of testes enclosed by scrotal sac is look like resemble to our human. The tail is very short. It give to signal and other rabbit even to very dangerous situation because to escape from the predator. And integument, it is outermost covering layer of the body. See the integument form divided into hairs, gloves and nails. Some of the sweat gland, sebaceous gland, sweat gland modify into further up during of lactation period, mammary gland. So as serve to milk and help to nourishment of young ones, as to and sweat gland as sebaceous gland embedded to skin, as which are regulated to temperature. This way to what is learn external morphology of rabbit. Now next move to internal morphology of rabbit. So again revise only before you was uploaded for many videos is related in detail. Thank you children.